大家好，我是奥地利的小胡。你们知道我还在奥地利写下来个视频，在我妈妈厨房拍摄，因为我不可以出门，但是没有关系 ，we work with what we have。很多人喜欢我简单的欧包视频，所以今天我教你们另外一个很简单的牛奶面包。然后你们觉得我瘦了吗？我觉得我瘦了。做今天的食谱，你们要面粉、水、鸡蛋、黄油、盐、糖、酵母和我的 secret ingredient 奶粉。在超市里买的牛奶 often is pasteurized and skimmed， 所以没有这么香。用奶粉做这个面包就更浓的奶香味。第一步，把酵母放到温水里 to activate the yeast， 不要这么热的水，30度左右够了。搅拌均匀后，放到旁边，然后等5分钟。等的时候，把干的食材倒进面粉里，把鸡蛋打散，把鸡蛋倒进面粉里，留一点，后面用再倒入酵母，搅拌均匀。最后加软的黄油。每次我用厨房机，你们说厨房机最对，所以今天我用我的机灵笔。这个食谱很简单，揉5分钟就够了。面团揉到光滑就好了。Use your fingers to push the edges at the bottom into the bread to form a nice round dough. 盆子里抹一点油，面团放到盆子里，用保鲜膜盖起来发酵1个小时。发面最重要的是温度，我的室温是22度。如果你的室温不够，教你一个小 tip。Just use your oven, put it on the baking ventilated heat, the smallest temperature you have, mostly 50 degrees. Leave it on like this. Wait 5 minutes, switch the oven temperature off completely and only put the oven on light on. Then you can easily place your bread in the oven and let it rise in there. 1个小时后，面团发好了，面团放到了1杯大。把黄油抹在模具里，把封口朝下放到模具里，用保鲜膜盖起来，再发酵半个小时。半个小时后，发酵好了，刷上蛋液，搁任何你想要的花纹，放到烤箱180度，30到40分钟。每个烤箱有一点不一样的。These kind of built-in ovens, they have really good seals, they have a better heat circulations, and therefore bread inside of these kind of ovens generally bakes better. Some of the smaller ovens, a little bit cheaper ovens with really thin doors and not as good seals, they have very uneven heat. It can happen that the heat on top or on the bottom is very hot since there are the heat elements of the oven. So if your bread turns out too white or maybe too dark, maybe really black on the crust but inside not cooked, the problem could be that your oven's heat circulation is just not good enough. You can also just try to adjust the heat a little bit and the baking time. Put the heat down a little bit and the baking time up a little bit. Every oven is different and therefore everyone needs to see what works best for his home oven. 面包烤好后，让面包冷却。很浓的奶香味，比买的面包更好吃，一定要做到。新鲜做的面包 ，tastes like heaven。其实胖一点。谢谢你看我的视频，是你让我想要努力拍更好的视频和说中文。点赞、分享和 please 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 关注我，你的关注才能让我继续拍摄。Love you guys.